So, ayan na guys. Very excited. Oh. Uy, uy. Oh, Rick. Puno? Uy ka naman. Nasa ano tayo, Hong Kong. Okay then. Oh, you say hi, Ka-Dreamers.
Hi, YouTubers.
Look at here, ah.
Hi, YouTubers.
Where are you?
Pocket house.
How about you, Ella?
Pocket house. Copy with
You eat here?
Yeah, with
Oh, picture kayo din.
cheese.
How about Ella? Daryl? Look.
Do you like?
Ayan, sisimula na silang kumain. Mga gutom na. Nagutom sa simbahan. Ang dalawang to. Ayan. Oh, gusto niya broccoli. Mainit.
It's hot pa.
Mainit pa? Blow it, ha?
What I can.
Jenny kumakain ng veggies, oh. Yummy? Pero mukhang hindi marami.
Ang dami. Tapos meron pa to. Oh. Oo. This one. May gulay pa. You blow mo muna.
That's so hot. I can't.
You want me to slice it?
Yeah.
Sarap ng rice nila, guys. Daddy.
How hot? How I can find.
One eternity later.
Ayun guys, pina-take out na namin kasi hindi rin namin maubos. Yan pa si Ella. Parang good for 2 lang talaga kami.
Chuck and Peter.
What can you say to Ka-Dreamers?
Hello.
What
We
else?
are Pocket house.
So what did you do at Packing House?
We eat.
What did you eat? You want to show them what did you eat?
Yeah, I eat. This one at sip.
And show them how to drink the soup in the bowl.
What?
Yeah, okay.
That's
Ay,
it.
very good. Ay. Oh, you say bye-bye na?
Bye.
Sabi sa akin, others are attracted to your lively and sociable personality. Tayaan na natin ng sa loto to. Yung kay Ella, sabi.
How about mine? How about mine?
Wait lang. Sabi kay Ella, you have a natural poise and potential for fame. How about kay Kaden? Others are deeply moved by your presence. Huh?
I got this one. See? Just a rat so yummy. You can cut it out. See? Then you peel them up like this. That's why you need to peel like this so you want fun. So we got a lot of table.
Ayan guys, tapos na. Nag-succeed naman si Kaden. Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Ito lang ang reason bakit kami pumunta dito. Wait, be careful.
What?
Oh, dahan-dahan naman, Dari.
Okay then.
Ella first.
Ano ko nito sa kabila?
Ah, okay. It's cold, Ella? Is
Yeah.
it
At the stop.
so dark?
Yeah.
Sige na, bye-bye na. Sa downtown to, guys. Yan siya. Ang lamig. Dreamer. So, tara. Papasok na tayo. Hindi masyadong malamig, pero ayun. Pag hindi ka nagpalamig ng, ay nagpainit ng sasakyan, sobrang lamig na ng loob. So, yan. Yung isang sasakyan, pinapa-init ko na din kasi baka ma-stuck siya. Nandun siya sa ikot. So, 7:18 na. Papasok na tayo sa work. Isang linggong work ulit. Then, ayun. Need lang mag-work kasi yun naman talaga ang ginagawa ng mga tao dito sa Canada. Work. Hindi ka nag-work, so wala ka. Magpapaya ng mga bills. So, tara na guys.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa work. Yan. Ayun no. Medyo foggy yung dinaanan ko sa ring road kanina. So, delikado. Pero, yan. Nakarating tayo ng 15 minutes. Hindi pa masyadong madaming sasakyan. Kaso mahirap nga lang dahil foggy. Pero, normal na din daw yun dito. Tingnan nyo yung puno. Ang ganda. Sobrang aga ko pa ngayon. Dito na ako ng 7:35. So, 8 pa yung pasok ko. Pero, tara na. Malamig dito sa labas eh. You know, yan yung work ko ngayon. Magte-change na ng name. So, kararating lang natin ang bahay. Tingnan nyo, nag-i-snow na naman. Nakakatamad na. Lagi na lang ganito. Char! Pinili mo yan. So, yan o. Hi guys!
Factory.
Okay, that's your merienda?
No, it's factory office.
Yeah, your snack, merienda.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yun guys. So, kararating lang natin galing ng work. Yan.
Hi guys.
O si Caden boy. That's my boy! Randy boy! You say Randy boy.
What the boy? That's a boy.
Yun, so, ayun nga. Si Caden pala, show your swollen face na. Ay, wala na. All good na.
I have
Dito, masakit. Tapos ngayon dito naman may natubo.
I have two UT coming out too.
Coming out soon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. So, what are you gonna eat na?
Broccoli.
Broccoli! Good job! So, the broccoli will help your teeth to make it strong, to fight for your pain, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so